The cinematic video you just watched was created entirely for free using Veo 3. In this video, I will show you how to use the Veo 3.1 fast tool for unlimited video generation without ever touching your credit, and it is forever free. Let's dive in. To access the free Veo 3.1, we go to SnapGen AI. This is it. Then it takes you to this. You can see SnapGen AI. This is what you are going to be using. You're going to be using this SnapGen AI. SnapGen AI free unlimited Veo 3.1 and Sora 2 tools and Grok also. So we click on this. Okay, then it brings you to this interface that you can join the Discord community for latest updates. I'm going to cancel this. Then you can see it automatically brings you to this interface. You can see by the right hand side there, you can see 10 credits. You have 10 credits for generation. But for Veo 3.1, you can generate video completely free. You can see now. You can see this. You can see here, the prompt bar here. You click on Veo 3.1. There are several options here. We have Veo 3.1 fast, Veo 3.1 light, Veo 3.1, Veo 2. Veo 3.1 fast is free. You can see it here. You can see it is free here. You click on it here. Okay, and the next thing is the aspect ratio. You choose your aspect ratio 16:9 or 9:16. I'm choosing 16:9. Then you check on your resolution, which is 720 pixel. Then you look at the numbers of seconds, which is 8 seconds. Then the next thing is to look for a prompt and test how free it is. So this is the prompt I want to use, which I generated using ChatGPT. I generated this prompt using ChatGPT. So I'm going to copy this. It's an ultra realistic cinematic video. I'll copy this. Then I'm going to paste it here in this prompt bar, paste it here. And the next thing is to click on this icon to generate. Then you have to verify that you are human. So please complete the verification to continue generating your video. Okay, I have verified that I am human. So the next thing you're going to do, it will start to generate. It says your video request is waiting in the queue. Feel free to explore other too. We will notify you when processing begins. It has started generating my video. Let's wait and see what it gives to us. Okay, you can see that we are done now. We are done with the video generation. And this is it. This is the video. Let's play and let's
to the most spectacular event of the year.
Wow, that is that.
Cheers, darling. This is unbelievable.
Wow, that is it. And you can decide to download video here. Okay, let's move ahead and see what we can also generate. Okay, let's look at the second prompt here. Copy. I've pasted the second prompt now. I'm still using Veo 3.1 fast, which is completely free. The aspect ratio the same, the resolution the same, and 8 seconds. So the next thing is to click on submit and generate, and I will still have to verify if I am human. Okay, my verification is successful now. And the next thing is that it begins to generate the video. Yeah, it says your video is still being generated in the background. You can close this page and check the history tab for the generated video, and we will notify you when it is ready. So let us wait and see what it gives to us. Okay, we are done now. It automatically brings out this interface with the video generated. And this is it. Let us click and see what it gives to us now. Okay, that is it. That is that for the tutorial. You can see how we can use Veo completely free. And you can see by the right hand side, the 10 credits still exist. Your 10 credits still exist. Nothing has been removed, and you can continue to generate video using Veo 3 in SnapGen AI, completely unlimited. There is no obstruction, there's no constraint. Okay, thank you very much. If you think that you like this tutorial, I want you to please subscribe and also share. Be the best.